this way. Watch out, watch out. Far left building, far left building. Oh, technical. Technical. Fuck.
Oh, hell nah.
Good kill. Good kill. My gun, my gun, my gun. Hey, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Drop, I need you to jump for my gun. Hold on. Can you jump and grab it?
Alright, watch an airman fall.
Bro, you're good. Hang, hang, hang. Hang, hang, hang. Yeah, you're 1 foot.
Thank you.
You're good.
There's a door. Down. Back up.
Man.
Hey, Joe, we got more friendlies in here now, so. Yeah. We don't like this door. There you go. All right.
Cat.
Yo, I'm hit. Somebody save me.
Drop, where you at?
Give him a second.
Joe, you dead?
No, good. Tulsa, stay down, get caught. Ready. Straight down.
They shooting from that building over here.
Yep, they're shooting from the building, yep.
What building?
Right across. On my 2 o'clock.
Tulsa, watch your window, watch it, because they coming right through the windows over there. Yep, you're in our front window. Front left window. Got it. Out, reloading.
The fuck?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, Tulsa, I'm gonna move to the next building.
Yeah. Fucking. Having feeding issues. What the fuck?
They shooting from the fucking hill now.
Tulsa, your line's not connected, stupid.
Thank you. Which one? I can see 3 windows. God damn. Tired.
Fucking choking on the shit in here. Right?
It is nasty in here. Be careful, he's shooting from right over there.
They're not tear gas, they're not gas, it's like a basic, are they?
It's bad in here.
Almost like part of my nose a little bit.
Yeah, I can't stay in here any longer. Bro, they did tear gas in here not too long ago. We're all coughing. Everyone needs to get out of this building.
Yeah, that's tear gas.
That's what I was saying.
Got him?
Tear gas, yeah. That's why we're all choking.
Everyone in the building's choking.
Yeah. Some sort of gas.
No, are you okay?
Yeah.
Can I get some fresh air?
I walked in there, my nose got stuffy, I'm coughing like crazy.
Yeah.
Noah, you okay?
Yeah.
That shit hurt me. I need a sip of it. No, there's only a sip. You're good.
The fuck's in that building?
Tear gas, yeah.
That's what I told you it was tear gas, bro.
When you go on military basic training, that's exactly what you have to breathe in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You have to stand in it, but it's cloudy and like say your social security.
Well, I'm so glad I'm not a criminal. What the fuck? So you can fuck your life over while you're like dying.
That stuff really fucked me up.
Yeah.
Is there any more water? It's done.
Kids, but I guess now that I'm pretty sure.
Blink, you got water on you?
Hey, I saw an infidel over there. That other
No? Don't, bro, it's bad in there.
so glad I'm not a criminal.
I can't breathe when I'm in there, dude. Yeah? Yeah, it was making me cough and sneeze.
Grenade.
Ah!
My throat is still fucked up. Like, I don't like... Huh?
Just tear gas.
Oh.
I'm putting on my mask, could I?
Oh, I can't breathe.
Bro, that shit fucked me up.
There's tear gas in here. The gas is fucking me up.
This is bullshit. I can't go in the fucking building.
Yeah. Bro.
Welcome to the gas chamber, gentlemen. Oh, yeah. That's just like the old days.
Ooh. Bro, we can't go into these buildings.
No, it's just like this. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
That shit's got me fucked up, dude.
Yeah, no, I've been coughing.
He's like, oh, yeah.
I think he's dead. He's got dead right now.
There's another one in there, too. Just went across.
I'm so glad I'm not a criminal. Is there dead over here?
You don't got a dead rag.
Got him in the head.
Up top?
Got him. I got him. Keep him busy. Keep him busy.
Running out, running up.
Up top. No, you're good. Yo, he's not dead. He's not dead. Right there. Right there. Shooting at us. Everyone. He's not dead. He's a fucking bitch. He was just walking with no dead rag with his gun down.
On the bottom left.
What a little bitch, bro. I should have.
He might just pop up anywhere. No. If you've bad, go back to respawn, please. If you feel like it's not bad, go to respawn, please. I don't need you getting sick.
That's just nasty, dude.
Yeah, that's why I'm staying right here.
I need you to be careful out here, bro. Your mom's gonna kill us if you fucking. You okay with me? Yeah. Dude, yeah, that's just fucking me up too, right?
Alright, fuck it. I'm moving up. I'm doing shit.
Yep.
Are you dead, Dad?
Drop, let's go. Get ready to move. Move!
You're hit? Fuck. Fuck.
Don't worry about me.
We're getting shot over here, too.
Hey, guys, got him coming on the left side! They're coming around the left! Oh, fuck, did I get hit?
Nah.
Probably there's people over there.
I'm dead.
If you feel safe to say, just call it.
You dead, bro? Yeah. Go. Let's get behind me. Go. Take him around the corner. Go around the corner.
No, the corners. We're getting shot at from the corner. Oh, no, we're good. Yeah, from that building. That building.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know about any gases in there.
But we could get right here. No, Tan's in there. But he's dead.
Tan or green? Let's tan. Tan.
Yo, get out of that building. Walking by. Hit. Bro, get out of that building.